Hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunc here from Dunc's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunc. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here, so make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Morning YouTube, morning everybody, welcome back to another episode here on Dunc's Money on YouTube. So it's quite early in the morning today. We've got some birds nesting in the roof and they keep waking me up really early, but I'm not going to evict them. I'll leave them stay and then we'll fill up the gap once they've left. But don't worry, I've got my morning coffee here, and don't judge me for using a Christmas cup. I tell you, those Kinko cappuccino sachets are actually very good. Anyway, back to the subject in hand. So last night I was on my app, trading app, and doing some checks, whatever, and I came across Royal Mail PLC. I thought, you know what, I'm going to buy some shares in Royal Mail PLC. So I did. Now the reason that I bought into Royal Mail PLC was because, well, part of me was thinking with the current coronavirus lockdown, there's less mail being delivered and sent, so they are in a bit of a dip. That's what I like to do. I like to buy during a dip, try and buy shares on sale, if that makes sense. Also looking through some of the ratios, and the ratios that I like to check, where I was quite happy with. I thought they looked quite good. The price earnings was very low, which was good, and they've also grown over the last couple of years. There's actually been a small bit of growth, which is better than no growth, so I was quite happy with that. Also they pay 25 pence a dividend, which is okay. And the other reason I bought into Royal Mail, and this is the main big reason, is they were dirt cheap, £1.64 a share. I had £11 left sitting in my trading account. I hate having money sitting uninvested, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to chuck into Royal Mail, why not, bang it in, and let's leave it. So, without further ado, let's jump back into the trading app, and you can watch me purchasing the Royal Mail shares. Welcome back into the Trading 212 app. Today I've been thinking a lot about the Royal Mail, who are the main national postal courier for the United Kingdom. They were privatised now, I think, back maybe a couple of years. So I'm just having a look here at them. It's £1.68 a share. They're in pence. Now if it's in pence, I'm going to assume they're probably listed on the London Stock Exchange. So if we have a look here, I think it should tell us. Does it tell us here? No, instrument details. Yeah, London Stock Exchange. Now I'm just looking at Royal Mail. So if we have a look at the share price here within the last year, okay. So obviously the peak there, at the peak was £2.30, £2.40 roughly. And currently it's £1.68. So I'm looking at the graph and I'm thinking, right, so in the last 3 months what's happened? So it's currently 168, and at its lowest point in the last 3 months it was down at £1.25, and that was on the 1st of April. So just over a month ago. And you have to think, was that because of the coronavirus epidemic starting? Not as many things are being posted. Offices are closing, so they're not sending out mail as they would normally, etc, etc. Now Royal Mail have got a very big franking sort of system, where a lot of big corporate companies pay them for the mail franking. Obviously, while the companies are closed due to the lockdown, that's not being done, so those contracts are being kept. So my thinking is it's so cheap anyway. I mean, £1.68. I've got £11 left in the account, and I thought, why not? I'm just going to whack it in and buy some Royal Mail shares. Also, what I quite like is I looked at the financials for Royal Mail, and their dividend is actually growing each year. and there's quite a good dividend yield, and also their price to earnings ratio is fairly low, so I'm quite happy with that. I always try and make sure I buy stock that's undervalued or stock that's representing good value for money. Plus it's £11, so the stock market's currently closed, but I'm going to buy it anyway. It's gone down even today, but my thinking is once business gets back to normal with the coronavirus lockdown, once it's lifted, etc., maybe in 6 months' time to a year, we'll see how the stock price is faring. So let's go for it. So I've got 11 quid, so what can I buy? Can I get 7 or a bit? Right, I'll go for 6.4 shares. Also, they're paying out a dividend of 25 pence a share, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's actually that's about equal to my American Airlines stocks. So it's 25 pence a share, and obviously in the UK you get paid your dividends twice a year. The dividend is growing, so I'm quite happy with that. So review order, oh for flip's sake, right, let's bring it down to, let's see, I'll go for 5, nice round number then. Right, 5 of those, no commission. Stamp duty reserve tax, no commission, £8.40. Send by order. Right, so that now means the order is in, which is fine. As you can see here, pending 5 orders, and that'll go in once the market opens again tomorrow morning. So I'll keep you guys in the loop as to how the Royal Mail stocks go, but just having a quick look here in the app. Amazon have risen today, Google have risen, Tesla have risen also. I was looking at Tesla last week, and after Elon Musk's tweet, it dropped to £600 roughly. $600, and look, it's now up to 768. Just think if you'd ploughed even just £5,000 into that in this last week, you would have made a fair bit of money. Not that we speculate, of course. Boeing is down as you would expect, and Apple's up. Slight rise in Apple. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. So as you saw there, I placed an order on Royal Mail PLC shares. I woke up this morning to a notification that the sale had been executed. Now bear in mind that the reason that the Royal Mail share price shows in pennies is because they are listed on the London Stock Exchange. The more you do it, the more you'll find that if you're using different stock exchanges, the London Stock Exchange trades in pennies, and that's why you've always got a big long number with a P at the start. It's always in pennies. But what we'll do now is we'll go back into the app and let's have a look and see how the Royal Mail shares are performing this morning. Now, I'm not speculating, but I like to always check, so I'll be holding on to them for a while anyway, but let's have a quick look back in the app. Okay everyone, so we're back into the Trading 212 app, and today is the following morning, so let's have a look at how the Royal Mail shares are doing. See, so I bought obviously the 5 shares, so it's up 10 pence. So it's up 10 pennies, which isn't obviously a massive return. I don't think I could live off that, but it's good to see it in the green, I suppose. So that's just a quick update for you. It's up by 9 pence now, 1%. So that's okay. I'm fine with that. That's perfectly fine for me. So as you saw there, they are up slightly. It's always better to be in the green, I suppose, than in the red. And like I say, I've only bought like £10 worth of shares there, wherever it is. So it's not going to bring me a massive return, but I just had the money sitting there, so I bought the shares. Plus, going through the numbers, I was quite happy. So we'll wait and see how it goes, and see if they keep going up. Fingers crossed. Enjoy your investing, and let me know below what you think of Royal Mail, and if you've got any Royal Mail shares. And don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Cheers. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunc, and I love money, so should you.